Welcome to our newest qualification, the T-Level. This exciting course option is available to you here at Wigan and Leigh College after your GCSEs and has the benefit of being a mixture of classroom and work-based learning. T-Levels are high-quality, work-focused alternatives to A-Levels and are studied over 2 years. They've been designed with businesses and employers to ensure that you're fully equipped with the skills and knowledge to prepare you for the industry.
There's T-Level in construction, which is design, surveying and planning. And the option that we're offering is the specialised area of civil engineering.
I've always wanted to do civil engineering, so I come to the college for my induction and the work experience engaged me a lot to the course, so I chose the T-Level.
Where the T-Levels split from the other courses that we do is they provide this extensive work placement. And what that means is our students can see what we do in class, bring it to the work placement and then bring it back again.
The fact that the T-Level had work experience pushed me towards that because you get experience on site and what it's like to be in the industry.
It's been really good so far. It's been good to go on site and get context into stuff that we've been learning in college because there's so much to take in, but when you go onto site you can start acknowledging everything and understanding it all because you can put it into place practically.
What I really like about the T-Level qualification is that they're taking a holistical approach to the civil engineering subject. This is more interactive with the lecturers. They're going out doing like real life surveying. They're going through the Health and Safety at Work Act. They're understanding CDM.
The placements altogether will be coordinated with the curriculum. They can be one of two things where they're blocks, so they're going to be doing 2-week blocks, or they will be regular 2 days per week. But in those placements they'll see civil engineering context that will relate to in the curriculum. We have a local surveying company that we use quite a lot, but on a national level we have companies like Morgan Sindall who we've dealt with, Bowman Kirkland who we've done lots of site visits with, a local company of Murphy's.
So Network Rail, we do everything. There's absolutely everything, every single occupation you can think of. And by getting them onto the railway, they can go and divert into any sector they like.
Everything we've done in college lets you build on it when you see it practically in the placement, and it's good to be on site. It gets you ready for when you go on site when you're at work.
So the experience gives them a real insight to what actually goes on these work sites. So it's live activities and they can see exactly what is going on.
On the placement so far I've been on the train tracks. I've had a TVP, so track visitor permit, because I'm looking at a piling underneath the ground. So yeah, it was very interesting.
I've been to Headbutt Lane. It's like a new scheme in Kirby.
Well, you get the work experience, which is a massive benefit to put on your CV, especially if you develop with the company that you are with. Network Rail could potentially take you on to go into like a degree apprenticeship or anything.
The assessment for the T-Levels is split into 2 distinct areas. We have the core and then we have the occupational specialist. The core has 2 exams, and then the other bit of the core they do is an employer set project. That is 20 hours that they will work on. You then have to go and do the occupational specialist assessment, and that is just a employer set project. That's the only assessment they do. It is externally assessed like the core unit is, but that is a 25-hour project that they go do. We're sat in the AML lab, which is the Advanced Manufacturing Lab, but that gives us the facility for doing 3D printing on prototypes. We've got a new testing lab, so we can do deflection tests. We've got a soils testing lab, and we've got a new suite of total stations. And all these things are used in industry and would help consolidate their learning along when they go for their work placements.
What we're looking for in the students is to be engaging, very confident. We need them to be keen as well. So we need them to ask as many questions as possible. It's really important that it's a two-way thing rather than us leading on it all the time.
What the T-Levels does as compared to normal vocational national extended diplomas, it is a very demanding and challenging course. But what that does, it gets students ready for the rigours of our industry. Our industry is very demanding but very rewarding, and that's what the T-Levels can give students.